Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw last week's video, you saw that we started this makeover in the backyard. We painted the back of the house, replaced some trim, and in today's video, we are going to be working on this area behind me. We are going to be addressing the back porch. Okay, here's what we're working with. So these posts are gonna get a makeover. We need to paint all of this. And then these doors are getting a makeover. The swing, we'll see. I need to pressure wash this. So just probably a new light. I mean, all of it. The first thing I wanna do is take this swing down because it's not centered, but I'm gonna put it back up and center it. But the main reason is because the wind blows a lot and it's beating up this post right here. So if I move it over that way, hopefully it won't hit this as much. We've got a few spots like that before we paint, we want to go ahead and caulk those. It's just where the caulk has separated from the boards. We're going to go ahead and caulk that and get that all filled, and then we'll paint. As soon as I started painting, I got so excited. It was just going from dull and dingy to new and fresh, and that always makes me so excited. At this point, I am not painting the ceiling right here on the porch because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. I was playing around with some different things, accent colors, or even some kind of accent ceiling like I did on the front porch, but I like to do that whenever I'm doing a project. When I'm not sure, I'll just walk away, and then eventually by the end of the project, it'll kind of stand out to me what I need to do, or I take a look at the budget and see what I can do. And so that's kind of how I make my decisions whenever I'm doing projects. Okay, seriously, the difference paint makes between that's the new paint, that's the old paint. I really hope this is picking up. It just gives it such a refresh, like it just looks so much better. Okay, so yesterday we got like all of the fascia, all of that painted, 2 coats on that, and today we need to work on a few other things. So I really want to get these back doors painted, and also I want to work on these posts, but before we can paint them or do anything to them, we need to repair them. Like I said earlier, like the swing was really beating this up, so I need to repair that, and I want to try to use some Bondo to fill that in and we can sand it down. Okay, so this is clearly why they had those little things on the bottom, because it's all broken. So we're gonna have to go back in with some different trim. But first, in order to access that one, I want to remove this piece of the deck railing. So I've checked the code in the city where I live, and I don't actually need any of this railing, and the deck makeover is coming later, but for now I just want to remove that piece. Okay, that's already looking so much better and open, because my kids get out of the pool, come over here, and then they go jump from the trampoline to the pool, and this is just like more open, more direct access. And also it's really not that high at all right here from the ground, so I don't think it's any kind of hazard. It's definitely up to code, but I don't think it's any kind of hazard. So I'm using Bondo. Again, you've seen me use it on multiple projects if you've been here for a while. So it's 2 parts that you mix together, and it dries super fast and super hard. You can sand it down and it'll be just as strong as the wood that was there before. So it's a really good project to use on things like this when you need that added strength. Okay, the back door is all painted, and now I want to work on this doorknob right here. When we did the front door makeover, we spray painted with a gold color, and I want to try it on this because it's holding up really well. After I removed all of the doorknobs and all of the parts, you don't see it on camera, but I lightly scuffed it up with some sandpaper just to give the spray paint something to grip to. And then when I'm spray painting, I know it looks like I'm doing it super fast because it's sped up, but I put on like multiple light coats. That way it won't peel and chip, or has a better chance of not peeling and chipping over time if you do multiple light coats like that, and it'll last a lot longer. This is going to be the last project for today's video. This is where we're going to stop. Make sure that you're subscribed because we'll be finishing up this back porch makeover next week and you don't want to miss it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!